Hey guys, how do you maintain your protective styles? I use Herbs and Oils Haircare Essentials. This is a tonic. I'm spraying it from root to tip. I spray it from root to tip because it helps to style the hair while still protecting my hair that's in there somewhere. I use it very generously. I like to get it on my roots. I like to saturate the hair, and it helps with the frizz, any frizz. And it helps maintain your braids. If you keep the frizz down, your braids will last much longer. I also use other products like the curly cocktail. This helps with the bounce back on the hair. It is synthetic hair, but the curly cocktail works wonders on maintaining those flyaways and maintaining those braids, keeping your hair looking fabulous. Another product that I like to use, of course, is my Last Call finishing oil. I always use that on my roots. It helps to keep my scalp healthy. I no longer have any type of dandruff problem because of these products. But these products have vitamin B in them, and so of course that helps with growth. I always try to make sure that my roots have the nourishment that they need in order to continue to grow, even though I'm protecting them within this hair. I always try to make sure that I am getting the products in all throughout the hair, and of course my edges that are very delicate. And with the hair pulling, you have to make sure that you're not stressing your hair under these protective styles. And that's pretty much it. Once I do that, I can do this process every day, and my braids will last and last and last, and then I don't have problems when I take it out with breakage and keeping my hair protected. So that's my braid maintenance routine. See you, bye.